Another winter wonderland. Days and days later, after the snow was melting and we didn't have much left at all. This is crazy. We're supposed to have more snow tomorrow and different days this week. Amazing. There was no snow in my car last night. I don't think there was any snow left on the roof of the cabin last night. And there's already this much. And it only started a couple hours ago, I think. Oh, this is amazing. Cat. Go, Grandma! Go, Abigail! Woohoo! Good job! There goes Grandma! Oh, what are we doing, Beanie? What are we doing? Oh, Beanie. It's snowing good, Beanie. Beanie almost made it. Oh, I know, honey. It's wet and snowy. Good girl. Good girl, Beanie. I love you. Beanie! Here's the next round of snow. It's going to go all night, all morning tomorrow, partway through the day, and refill what we kind of lost during the day. It was raining a little bit. It is coming down good. Beanie. You guys ready to go in for the night? You were just out in all that snow, huh? Okay, let's go in for the night so the coyotes don't get you guys. Let's go, Levi. Let's go, Asia. We'll see you in the morning. I love you guys. No, Asia, come back. Asia, come on, Asia. Come on. Good girl. Come on. You can do it. Good girl. Levi, watch your tail. Watch your tail. Bye, Asia. Bye, Levi. I love you. Bye, babies. This is so funny. I got a string from my comforter, and Beanie is going crazy over it. She doesn't usually go this crazy over toys. But of course, it's not a toy. Get it, Beanie, get it! Beanie. It's so funny when she goes after it like this. You're so cute, Beanie. Beanie. We need more toys like this, huh? Just string. You're so cute, Beanie. Ow! Beanie, you are so cute.
Beauty, you are so funny. Okay, bye.
The snow is back. We went through days and days of not really much snow, or at all, kind of, and rain and hail and sun melting everything, but we still have quite a bit of snow here and there, just spots where the sun didn't get, but it's back. Oh, so awesome. It's supposed to go all night, and then after that I think it's warmer temperatures and just rain for weeks, but higher elevations will get snow, a lot of snow, but this might be our last snowfall tonight. But quite a few days ago we had so much, and other areas around us had so much. They were even getting snow into California and areas that haven't had snow in forever. I keep saying for years that I think the seasons are getting pushed farther back, because right now it's March, what, 7th or 8th today? I think the 7th. And we've had snow in March and April before, but not like this. Most of our snow has been in February so far, I think, or beginning of March. Amazing. Bye. The snow is getting melted and it is pouring rain. It's supposed to go all night, and we have so much rain on the way. I think we have flood warnings. Yeah, the freeway shut down because of the snowstorm, but it's rain for us. I think we probably had all our snow we're going to have, and now it's just going to be rain from here on out. And it's a lot.